Welcome. The Google team's excited to inform you Google has launched a new rating smart chip. You'll find this new smart chip inside Google Sheets. Let's go ahead and dive deeper about this new feature. As you can see, I'm currently in Google Sheets, and in column A, I have a list of Marvel movies. Our job is to rate these movies. Our rating scale is from 0 to 5. Now, before I talk more about the Marvel movies, let's really think about this, how we'd use this for business needs. For example, we could rate items such as request, vendors, your top interview questions, priorities, and etc. So please know that as I'm demonstrating this in a more creative and fun way, it can be used in our business atmosphere. So let's go ahead and show you how to use the new rating smart chip. Well, as we know, the smart chip is part of the Smart Canvas. We can find that under Insert, Smart Chips, and you'll find a new rating option appear. By now, we know that we can use our famous @ sign inside Google Sheets and type in the action that we want to take. In this case, use the rating smart chip. That's another option. The other option is you can right-click and go down and locate smart chips and select rating. Now that we have the rating chip populated in cell B2 and B3, we can use the filled on feature to populate the remaining of the Marvel movies that need rated. So I'm going to go ahead and select the cross, and then I fill down all the way to B6. Now, I can rate these movies by clicking in the cell and selecting the appropriate rating scale. So if I think the Black Panther should be a rating of 5, so hit the number 5 on my keyboard, and it will then select the 5 rating for that particular movie. So that is how you now use the rating scale availability inside Google Sheets. To learn more about this update, I strongly encourage you to check out the resources posted below. Thank you.